The Smeg, the Breville or Bodum, perhaps the Nespresso 3 or the Maestri house. Which one should you buy? In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 milk frothers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best milk frothers. The 5th product on this list is the Bodum Bistro. With a high-quality milk frother, you can easily make your favorite coffee, hot chocolate, and other hot drinks home with barista-style foam that really enhances the whole experience. The Bodum Bistro provides thick, creamy, soft, and long-lasting hot and cold milk froth within a few seconds that can even heat the milk up to 158 degrees. It is designed from super durable dishwasher-safe stainless steel materials, and it features a non-stick interior that makes it easy to clean and takes up very little space on the kitchen counter. We also appreciate that it comes with a 2-year extended satisfaction manufacturer warranty that ensures this compact design milk frother's durability. Moreover, this unit is designed to make you a professional barista without leaving your doorstep. It is not always easy to create a warm and delicious milk foam to add to your coffee, yet the Bodum makes it a breeze. What's more, it has a significant holding capacity so that you can do multiple cups at once, saving you time, and it has a durable body that is heat resistant. We particularly like that it is a compact size that makes it easy to transport. Lastly, it features a sleek design and auto shuts off when the frothing process is finished, which is just very handy, as it means you can do other things while waiting. Its pros are, it has a compact design so it takes up very little space on the countertop. It is made from high-quality materials, which makes it durable, and it has a large capacity, so you can make foam for multiple drinks at once. However, the rubber holder comes off, which can be an issue as it gets very hot. The Bodum Bistro is an excellent appliance because it gives you light and fluffy milk foam with minimal effort. Up next in 4th place is the Maestri House Milk Frother. This device is one of the first milk frothers to feature variable temperature settings and different froth thickness selections. It offers you 4 temperature settings from room to 120, 140, and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Moreover, it also provides 3 froth thickness options: low, medium, and high. This ability to control froth thickness and temperature makes for a superior coffee experience. What's more, it has a 21-ounce jug capacity, which is much larger than other units on the market, allowing you to prepare multiple frothy drinks simultaneously. This sleek professional device also features a touch control panel, where you can easily choose between functions, and the illuminated controls feature 6 settings: cold froth, cold airy froth, hot airy froth, or hot chocolate, so you can prepare a creamy barista quality foam for your latte or cappuccino at the touch of a button. What's more, it has an appealing stainless steel look and easy-to-use nature, and must-have for any serious coffee drinker. We particularly like that the pitcher is made out of scratch-resistant material so that it is dishwasher safe and comes with a fine sponge brush that can help you clean the milk jug without any effort. Lastly, its pitcher-like design makes pouring effortless, so you can make the perfect cup of coffee every time. Its pros are, it is a very quiet machine, which is ideal if you want to make a barista-style coffee early in the morning without waking anyone up. It has an ergonomic handle that fits in your hand perfectly, and it has an automatic shutoff to avoid any overheating. However, there are no measurements inside the steamer. That means you either need to measure in another container and then pour it in or eyeball it, in which case you end up with very different cup sizes. The Maestri House Milk Frother is a beautifully designed unit with a high capacity that is ideal for barista-style coffee making. Still haven't found a milk frother that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Nespresso Aeroccino 3. This next device is designed to make hot or cold froth for your favorite coffee beverage quickly and easily. It is constructed from stainless steel and black plastic, and this frother soon heats up milk to between 160 and 170 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a simple one-touch operation system. You use 1 second of button pressure for hot milk and froth, and 2 seconds of button pressure for cold milk froth. We find that it features a slim line base to easily fit anywhere and automatically shuts off when finished. The Nespresso Milk Frother also features a highly effective whisk for different types of coffee, which is a big selling point. Another advantage is that 4 buttons control a specific beverage option, such as cold foam, steamed milk, warm and fluffy milk froth, and warm and thick milk froth are among the functionalities available. We particularly like that it has multiple displays, which are simple to operate and learn to use. Lastly, it is easy to clean, as it can be put into the dishwasher, saving you time during your daily routine. Its pros are, it has a sleek design available in black or white, which will fit any kitchen decor. It is heat resistant with a durable steel build, and it is easy to operate by anyone. However, it needs to be hand cleaned. The Nespresso Aeroccino 3 is a superb addition to the kitchen equipment of any coffee lover. The second product on this list is the Smeg Milk Frother. Smeg is an Italian-based company well known for its 50s retro look appliances, and this milk frother is no exception. This stainless steel electric milk frother combines iconic mid-century style with modern features. The induction heating system rapidly warms the milk to your preferred temperature, which can be frothed quickly to produce smooth microfoam or billowy soft peaks. It also works with cold milk, creating a delectable addition to iced beverages. When it comes to kitchen appliances, this device is the epitome of luxury. We like that it comes in various pastels and bright colors, making it perfect for someone showcasing a color scheme in their kitchen. Another advantage is that the lid is designed of high-quality plastic materials and has a measuring cup to add flavors. The jug is made of stainless steel with the tip for easy pouring. Furthermore, it is straightforward to operate and creates hot or cold frothy milk in minutes. We particularly like markings on the side to indicate the minimum and maximum levels for frothing and heating. Its pros are, it has a stunning design that gives your home a unique look, it effectively creates different types of milk foam, and it is easy to clean as it is dishwasher safe. However, the steel container rattles a bit when it is running. The Smeg Milk Frother is a fantastic option for someone who wants a balance of practicality and style. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top milk frother is the Breville Milk Cafe. This ultimate kitchen appliance helps you make your favorite hot beverage with perfect tiny bubbles with a creamy consistency, creating a rich hot chocolate, a smooth latte, or a decadent cappuccino. It has induction heating and a high-speed whisk to produce perfect barista-style milk foam. Moreover, the container has the capacity to hold enough milk for up to 3 cups. It's also effortless to use. Simply select your preferred temperatures and start. You don't even need to worry about watching it while you prepare other things, as the Milk Cafe turns itself off when it has achieved the right temperature. What's more, we like that this unit excels at creating fully textured microfoam, and it is perfect for someone stepping up their coffee game at home by introducing foamed milk into their life. Another advantage is that 2 frothing discs create various types of foam. It can make dense microfoam for lattes or a thicker, creamier foam for cappuccinos, depending on your needs. Furthermore, both frothing discs, the milk jug, and the lid are dishwasher safe, which saves you time while you do daily chores. So if you want a reliable appliance to help you make cafe-quality coffee at home with perfect milk foam every time, this is the product for you. Its pros are, it has a temperature control system and 2 milk frothing discs so you can customize your milk foam experience. It is very straightforward to operate. It is dishwasher safe, which saves you time as well as effort, and it has a large capacity, so you can make up to 3 cups at a time. However, it can be fairly noisy depending on the settings you use. The Breville Milk Cafe is a brilliant tool that improves your coffee experience. It's recommended for anyone that wants barista quality milk foam on their coffee at home. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.